Hi everyone, I hope you had a good first week of school. I just wanted to take a moment to go over the week 2 module with you guys. So as always from the homepage, check your inbox for any messages I may send you and check announcements. That'll be the first two things you do weekly. So if you don't have any emails for me, check announcements. And normally I put up a weekly announcement. So for the assignment or announcement for this week is going to be week 2 summer session. You click here and then you'll read through the assignments that you have due for this week. So this week you'll complete all the assignments by Friday at 11:59 p.m. Reminder, you have the entire week to complete these 4 assignments, so please prioritize your time wisely as I will not reopen missed assignments, okay? I try to put it so you have 4 days of class, so you have an assignment per day. Okay, so you have your target heart rate quiz, which I'll talk about in a moment, your PFT body composition score, your cardiovascular assignment, and your fitness log. Okay, so when you go to modules, everything's always in modules. So for modules, it should put you in attendance, and then you'll see week number 2. As a reminder, make sure you're completing the daily attendance. I'll put the weekly attendance up, and then remember, like for Monday, it's only open on Monday until 3:30. Same thing with Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, they're only open on the days, those actual days, and they close at 3:30. So please make sure that you are checking in by that time. So if you click on Monday's date to complete attendance, you will just go to your discussion board. You'll click the reply button, and then you're just going to write in here or present. You can say present today, and then you'll just hit post reply, and then it'll show up as you marked present. Okay, make sure that that's done by 3:30 daily. Okay, so go back into modules. So we're going to go to week number 2. For the summer session, you've got 4 assignments. So right here is your instructional video, which you're watching right now, and then it'll take you into your physical fitness test body composition. So if you click here, this will explain all of the instructions on how to do it. Make sure that you put in your height, your weight, your body, and then to get the body mass, you will click on this link here, and you'll put in your measurements. So make sure that your height is in feet, so feet and inches. So you'll break that up, and then your weight will be in pounds, and then you'll hit calculate. So for example, if you were 5 feet 8 inches, and say you weighed 150 pounds, you'll hit calculate, and don't put a half number just or a decimal, put just whole numbers. So round up or down if you need to, and then when you click calculate, it gives you your BMI. So you're going to put these 3 numbers into your assignment score. So when you click back over, when you click start assignment, right here. So easiest way to do it is I just copy this, paste it here. So your height would be, I think I said it was 5, I don't know, 5'5" or whatever it was, 5'6", and then the weight was 180, 150, and then my body mass index was going to be right here. What did I say it was? Okay, 5'8", 150, 22.8. And that's all you're going to submit. So then you hit submit assignment, and you're good to go. If you realize you made a mistake and you didn't complete something correctly, you just click new attempt and you can resubmit your entry. Okay, and reminder, this closes on Friday, June 25th. Okay, so then you go to the next assignment, and you've got understanding target heart rate instructions. So this is your first week with me taking a quiz, so I just have more in-depth instructions on the assignment. You're going to read the article, you're going to take a quiz, you have 30 minutes to do this. If you have any questions, you can always message me. So when you go to the next button here, I have tons of links, so you can either link to the article here or on the other page. So you're going to read through this article, and if you ever click on this and it doesn't show the article, just click the white bar up here, and it'll open up the article in a new link or in a new page. So you're going to read through everything. Once you read through everything and you feel ready to take your quiz, click to the next button, and then you can take your quiz. If you feel like, oh, I need to read this again, click this icon. It'll take you back to the article. So once you click take the quiz, you only have 30 minutes to complete your quiz. It's 10 questions, multiple choice, and it's based on the readings here. And once you're done with that, once you're ready, click take the quiz and your time will start. When you're done with that, you can do the next assignment, which will be your fitness log. Okay, so for this assignment today, you're going to work out for at least 30 minutes. You don't need to record your workout. Just write it down. You don't have to record it with the video, just write it down. And then you can do a variation of different things. If you decide to walk, run, or bike, make sure that for 30 minutes, make sure you submit the screenshot of you actually doing that, like on the cardiovascular assignment. But there's tons of different options. So what I would prefer is that you use this link to fill out your fitness log. So by clicking here, and I believe I have a video which explains it on the page. All you're going to do is fill out your fitness log here. You can just put whatever exercises you do. Save the link, so when you go to share, you can rename the file. You are going to copy the link here, and then once the link is copied, you're going to go to, and this is the instructions on how to do all this more in depth. Once you copy the link, you're just going to go to the blue button at the top, and you're going to submit the assignment. Okay. And then the last assignment you have is going to be your cardiovascular day. So it's either your mile run, 3-mile biking, or your Metaconda. So here are instructions on how to use the Nike Run Club app. You can look through this if you're not familiar with it. I've also included instructions on Metaconda. So here's the assignment instructions. So you're going to run a minimum of 1 mile, track it on your cellular device, screenshot the completed run. I must see the date, duration, distance, and running map. If you're using Nike Run, share the route on your Nike feed. And then you're going to submit the assignment using this Google Doc here. So by clicking here, instructions are going to be right here in this video for more in-depth instructions. Click here, and then you're going to just insert your screenshots here. So we're on week number 2. Just insert it here, and you're going to use the same sheet every week. Just keep submitting the same link, and then just add your photos onto this one document. Okay, so in order to do that, you click the share button, grab the link, copy the link, and then you're just going to submit that to me in Canvas. When you go to submit your assignment, you're just going to paste the URL in here, and then that's how I'll be able to see it. Okay, and then you'll hit submit. Okay, and that is all for this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Oh, here are the instructions for the Metaconda assignment. This is the timer, and it has it tells you what exercises you should be doing. Here's the how-to video of how to do Metaconda. So there's all the instructions here in case you don't have a phone to track your run or to track your bike. Your options are going to be here for Metaconda. Okay. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I can set you up with a one-on-one Zoom if you need to. If this video didn't help you enough, I'd be happy to meet with you one-on-one. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good week.